give it to me.
You can't seriously want to read that now. Let's move!
Wait! I just want a quick glance.
Damn it! We need to leave! Are you kidding me? There's nothing on it!
Give it to me!
Rini!
Noah! I missed you so much.
Oh, and I missed you, little Hopper.
Oh, and you've got spots. Come here, Spotty.
What's the news? And what happened to your hair?
Don't you like it?
So what's the message?
It needs decrypting. It's probably the invisible ink and lemon cipher.
No, wait. Maybe it's wax-based this time.
And what do we do now?
We need to find the mirror to get out of here.
But why? It's such a nice place. Spot's here, and we'll probably meet Sadwick too. Oh, I really love Sadwick. He probably looks exactly like you, but with a funny hat.
We can't meet Sadwick because I'm here, Rainy. I was Sadwick, remember?
Silence without Sadwick? That's impossible. I love silence. I always wanted to come here.
But you know what being here means, right?
It's a dream world?
It's a world between life and death. And which side do you want to wake up on? If we want to live, we need to smash the mirror. Do you understand? Rini, listen. No matter what anybody tells you, or whatever happens, the most important thing for us is leaving this world. You remember how Sadwick did it?
He smashed the mirror.
What's with the whispering? What mirror?
The one in the throne room.
Do you know how to get to the throne room?
How about you just answer my question?
Only Janus knows the way. That's the problem.
How do you know about the mirror?
What's with the third degree?
Answer me.
I smashed it myself the last time I was here.
How is that possible?
Because I'm the king of silence.
Yeah. It's true.
Hey, come on. Enough with the whispering. Out with it.
Forget that lunatic. He can't help us.
Yeah, I think he's the one who needs help.
There's something royally wrong with the King of Silence.
Hey, I said stop. My brother isn't crazy. At least, not really.
Hey, that's our last flare.
Rini, put down that gun.
Yeah, give it to me.
Leave her alone. Come on, little Hopper.
Sorry. I want to go home, Noah.
I know.
I don't like it here. Everybody's arguing and fighting. Why aren't you king instead of the false queen? Why is she so mean? And why'd she send those evil seekers? I want to go home.
I'll get you home. I promise.
But how?
I'll find Janus and he'll take us to the throne room. He knows the way.
Janus knows the way?
Now get some rest. We'll need all the strength we can muster.
Okay.
Sleep, little Hopper. And don't forget what Dad always said. We are...
Like two clouds in the wind.
No, No matter how far the winds drift us apart.
We'll meet at the ocean.
I wish Janus had given us clear directions, not some riddle.
Could you keep it down? Rini is sleeping. And pass over Janus's messages, please.
No. No chance.
Let him read it. He won't understand it anyway.
All right, go ahead, but read it to yourself.
To free me, follow me from camp and past the crater, heartbeat in your back, eyes toward the dying light. I will wait for you where the way down can't be deeper. P.S. The Holy Grail is ours.
With a description like that, you couldn't find your own ass.
You certainly wouldn't.
Oh, the paper reeks. Ugh. Alright, screw this. I'll go and find this Janus myself. Who is this Janus guy, anyway?
A good friend.
I don't understand the whole thing about the heartbeat.
It's a reversal.
Maybe he means an actual heartbeat from someone behind you.
I'm sure it's a reversal.
He probably didn't mean the sunset with dying light.
What else?
Maybe Calamar going down?
Calamar.
Calamar will not fall. Not as long as we live.
Who could have captured Janus?
Certainly not the Seekers. They don't take prisoners.
What does Janus mean by this Holy Grail?
I don't know. Maybe something religious? He's a man of faith.
Hey, thanks by the way for bringing Rini here safely.
I actually have to thank her. Without her, that flesh-eating plant would have eaten me alive.
Flesh-eating plant?
Or the Seeker.
The Seeker?
That little lady is quite a fighter.
Really?
So what's the holdup? Let's move.
Okay, we'll get Janus. Come on, he's up there.
No, it's this way.
Believe me, it's up there.
I know, Janus. If anyone can decrypt his message, it's me.
This place looks familiar. A good place for animals to hide. Called it. What the? Yeah, same to you. Hey, I can push this. This place feels drafty. I hope it doesn't collapse on me. Horus, the sign of Janus. This must be the right way. I'll build a ladder. 3 rungs should do it. It's a relief of Actually, what is that? Shame I don't have gecko blood in my veins. If I put something into these holes, I might get up there. The bolt... Well, I don't care. What I need is a rung. Ah! Wow. What a huge flower. And it's full of pollen. Which, of course, I'm probably allergic to. Don't breathe it in. Don't breathe it in. Huh? Huh? That smells kind of nice. It smells amazing. Ah! It's a snake! Why the hell is it a snake?
Because this is silence. Now find the last two snakes. We need all three of them.
Hello? Is someone there?
No, nobody.
It's all in my head. It's all in my head. Wow. There's... Fantastic. Whoa. Cool. Someone who isn't me probably could swing over to that platform. The hole isn't any bigger in here. That thing up there could be the third snake. Fits perfect. Let's hope the board holds. And that the dog is really made of stone. Almost like in the circus. Ah! Oh, damn. Not again. Wait! I hit the window! Yeah! I can throw! Panpipe, lute, triangle. Wow, these people really knew how to rock. Yeah! Don't move. Good snakes. You can wind and slither all you like in a minute. But please wait till I'm all the way up. All right, up there, quickly. Ta-da! Oh, God. My head. Oh, crap. Why do I have such a bad hangover? What did the message say again? From the camp, past the crater. Janus can't be far now. What's this whistle for? Taurus. So this is Janus's bird whistle. You're a trusty friend. Hey! Winged rat.
Noah? Ooh, a royal treasure chest. And I'm the queen. Hey, that looks like Sadwick's hat. Noah won't put it on. Noah's great, but Sadwick's even more so. A music box. How nice. Ooh. Cool. Ooh. Ah, they hid in the flare gun all the way down there. It doesn't look like a real gun. I wonder if it can shoot at all.
That stone looks like someone I once knew. Ralph? No, I guess not. Damn it! Rini! Something's wrong. I need to go back.
But
What's the matter?
Nothing. False alarm.
it went off all by itself.
Rini, you scared me to death.
I didn't mean to.
Did you find Janus?
No, but I did find the crater he mentioned, and his whistle, and his bird symbol on a door.
Then you're on the right track. Let's go. We break camp right now.
But there was also a seeker. We need to get rid of it.
I know how.
We could trap it somehow.
I got a better idea.
Why not? That's certainly an option.
Hello? Can't you hear me? Ah, blah, 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 blah.
Quiet! You'll attract the seekers.
But they can't see or hear me.
They're blind. Of course they can't see you.
I mean, they didn't notice me. Remember, San?
Sure, because you're a little girl.
Right. And we'll protect you.
But
We'll draw its attention and lure it into the forest.
Where we will prepare...
A pit trap. Covered, of course.
You don't need a cover. They're blind, right?
Right.
ah, blah, 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 blah.
Maybe they
Oh,
can
I
sense even
better
small
not.
alterations in the very fabric of the world.
No.
Scentless trap.
A net, maybe?
But what if it just chews its way out?
A hole is the safest bet.
I'm sure the Seekers won't notice me. Like you two. Come on, Spot. We'll free Janus. Whoa.